Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2013 Toyota Highlander Limited. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with puddle lamps, step rails, roof rails, privacy glass, and much more. 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, all-season tires, automatic projector beam halogen headlamps, fog lights, a bug guard, and a strong 6-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 62,706 miles. The power liftgate, the rear wiper, a lift-up rear window, the tow package, a spacious cargo area with a third row seat and a comfortable second row with climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather captain's chairs, cruise, tri-zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.